Today's episode is the 41 to 49 snore replacement prank. Enjoy the video.
Okay, now they're snoring their effects. Now I'm gonna replace them with number block effects. Now I'm gonna get out of here before someone comes.
Hey 41 to 49, how's your good night's sleep?
Wait.
Yes. I snored like a number block 68. Let's get out of here right now.
Hey, wake up.
Yes. I'm at endless numbers 40 snore like a number block 34 in the district line. Let's go home right now.
Oh my gosh. Choni was the one who was behind all of this in front of 41 to 49, 26 and 81. Deal with her.
Choni Wangmo, did you replace 4149's snores with number blocks FX?
Tell us the truth right now.
Yes, I did. I like number blocks effects for fun, so I decided to replace the snores with number block effects. I'm sorry.
Do you know what time is it?
Yes.
It's conflict time.
What? No!